Hi, I'm Lesley Logan, and I'm going to do the up and down with the arms from your arm series on the Spine Corrector here on your ladder barrel.
Welcome to OnlinePilatesClasses.com, the most supportive Pilates-loving community across the globe. Enjoy new weekly classes from our amazing teachers. Download the OnlinePilatesClasses.com app today.
So I talked about this in the circles video about why you would use your ladder barrel. And typically your ladder barrel shape and your Spine Corrector barrel shape should be the same barrel shape. And so you wouldn't necessarily need to do them here unless you had two people or you and someone else, and you only had a Spine Corrector ladder barrel, because you could just use your Spine Corrector. That being said, a lot of people's Spine Corrector shape changed. And so this is a bigger barrel back bend. And so you would use it to help build up your back bends. Okay. Typically you go from the circles into the up down. So I'll do that transition for you, but you want your feet reaching into the rungs. Arms are up to the sky. I'm using my legs. Okay. So they're not just like hanging out there, they're working. And then you have finished your circles. You take your arms up and then you inhale, one arm down, one arm overhead. Then when you're ready to exhale, the arms come to the ceiling. And then you inhale, one arm overhead, other arm down. And if you use your breath, it will create the pace. And it will help you use your breath to connect your arms to your back. And you'll discover this is a nice back exercise. Right? And so one arm is doing chest expansion, one arm is doing swimming or swan, and you should feel that happening in your body. Then from there, you would go into the hug. I will show that in the next video. But if you have questions about the up down, I see a lot of people letting their arms hang off of their bodies with this, and they're not getting the good stuff. Get the good stuff. Work your arms from your back, work with the breath. You will build your back bends up, and you'll find yourself doing swans and backstrokes and all that stuff on your reformer and on your mat. Thank you so much. If you have questions, you can drop in the comments below. If you would like feedback on your form, become an OPC member at onlinepilatesclasses.com/YouTube.